I'm Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to talk about the installation of the tempered glass screen protector for Model 3. Let's get started. Before we begin the installation, we need to turn off our HVAC and then put your display screen into screen clean mode. We turn off the AC with a few simple clicks and then go into our controls and put the system in screen clean mode. Once air conditioning is turned off, dust inside the car will abate, and that will be very important to achieving a clean screen. We use an alcohol water mix, spray it on a lint-free microfiber towel, and clean down our screen as you see here. Once the screen is clean and dry, we then examine it very carefully to see if there are any small particles of dust on the screen. If there are, we take this dust provider, which is provided with your kit, and go around the screen picking up any small pieces of dust that you see. Dust is your enemy. We want to try to clean the screen so that there is no dust left. Once the screen is clean, we then peel back the clear protective film from the screen facing side of the tempered glass, being sure not to touch the rear surface. You'll note I'm holding it on the edges. We simply pull it backward as carefully as we possibly can, and then work to align to your screen. We align to the top edge and the side edges, being as careful as we possibly can to get near perfect alignment. We then take our lint-free cloth and rub downward and into place. When air bubbles occur, and they will, we simply work them out by pressing and moving from the center toward the edges of the display. Once the screen is set, we press and hold the screen clean button, and we're back on the air. Your screen protector is now installed.